Hello guys, you're welcome on this platform, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix um, Minecraft not installed as package conflict problem. So if you're facing this problem, this is how to fix it. First of all, what you have to do is to first launch to your phone menu, then you just have to search for Google Play Store. When you tap on the Google Play Store, what you have to do um, is to first just tap on your profile over here. Tap on this. That's the profile. When you tap on it, it's going to be like this. So what you have to do is you have to tap on the settings over here. This. So let's tap on it. After that, what you have to do is to tap on the network preference. Then after that, tap on app download preference. Then what you have to do is to choose this. I prefer you choosing this over any network. So if you are using a Wi-Fi or if you are using a mobile data, this is the one that's going to help you. So it says what? Over any network, which means any network that you are using, whether you're using Wi-Fi or your mobile data or anything else, this is going to really help you. So when you tap on it, just tap on OK. The next what I have to do is to go to your phone menu and search for settings. Just tap on the settings. Then you search for apps and preference or apps and notification or apps. Then you tap on it. After that, what you have to do next is to tap on see your apps. So when you tap on the see your apps, just scroll and search for the Minecraft. So when let's say the clock is the Minecraft. So when you tap on it, what you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache. Then you tap on clear cache. Then after that, you go back. Then you tap on force stop. Then after that, you tap on permissions. Then you allow all permissions. As you can see, I'm allowing like this. So this is an example. So if you're using the Minecraft, I don't have the Minecraft app on my device, so I'm using the clock as an example. So after doing all this, what I have to do is to check the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then it make sure the background data is turned on. After turning it on, then you tap on notifications. Then you make sure the notifications are all turned on, as you can see over here in the Minecraft app. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to first go to the Google Play Store. So now let's search for the Google Play Store app. So you tap on the Google Play Store. Then what you have to do is to search for the Minecraft app. So Minecraft. So let's search for it. When you find it, just tap on it. Then what you have to do is to tap on update. When you are seeing maybe an update over here, just try to update it. And after updating it, what you have to do is to tap on the power button, then you tap on restart, then after that you tap on OK, and everything is going to work successfully. Sometimes you have to just clear the cache and also restart the phone, and the game is going to work perfectly. So if you're having this problem, this is how to fix it. Thanks very much for watching this video. See my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. See my next one. Bye.